Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert an image on a Microsoft document, that is Microsoft Word, and even modify it. So I want to insert an image here, but before I insert an image, I'll click on this, then I press enter to create some space. So now this space is enough for the image that I want to insert. So I can come now to insert, then I come to picture here. Picture, then I say this device. If you have an image that you want to insert and it's online, you can choose this one. But if you have it, but for now, I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use this device because I have my images in my computer. So I'm going to click here, then it will take me to where my images are. So I will choose this, then I come to choose insert. Okay, when I choose insert, it will automatically put my image here. But now for me to move this image freely on my document, I'll click on these layout options. The layout options, then I come to in front of text. So now when I click on in front of text, I will be in position to move my image anyhow. I click and I left click on it and hold and drag it and move it everywhere. So now I'm able to put my image here. I can resize it. I can click here and then drag it to resize it. So now my image is fixed. Where? So for me to modify this image, I can select that. Then I come and select picture format. Then on picture format, I can come to choose or correction. I can choose correction. Then I can increase maybe the brightness to this. You see? Now when I choose that, the correction, the image has been, the brightness has increased. Then I can also choose artistic effects. So you can choose any from here depending on what you want. When you click on it, it will automatically modify your image to what you have chosen. So I'm not going to take that for now. You can explore for that. Then we have here quick style, quick picture style. I can put the style, either I want to put a border on it. I can choose to put it a border like that, or even I can change that border to be this, like that. So, and I'm able to move it to where I want to put it. So that is this is how we can modify the image. And I can also add the text on this image. How can I add the text? I can come to insert, then I come to text box, then I come to draw text box, then I draw my text box here. After drawing, I can write here any accident. Let me caps lock any accident. After writing that, I can highlight it and then I can come to home to modify that. I can increase the font by clicking this. I can center it. Then I can also bold it by pressing this B. Then I can also come to font type and put it to Algerian or even this Algerian. So now I've modified my text. And to remove this, let me move it down a bit. So now I want to remove this fill. shape fill. I'll click on that and then I come to shape format here. When I come to shape format, then I click on shape format. I will come to shape fill. I click on shape fill, then I say no fill. I come to shape outline. I say no outline. Then the text can be on our image. If we want to change the text color, we can highlight it. I can highlight it, then I come to home, then the text, then I put the text to be either, let's put it to be red, like that. That is how you can do that. So now you find the text is on our image. We can even maintain uh, this text box. We can click on that, then come to change format, then we say the fill. We can fill it with yellow, and then we come to text shape outline. We can make the outline to be maybe purple. Then we come to shape outline. We can also make the shape outline the weight to be that. Okay. So now let's move it down a bit like that. So this is how you can uh, definitely insert pictures onto a Microsoft Word document and also add text onto it and modify